here at Disney Springs. So we're gonna take a look around, look to see what like Halloween and holiday stuff there is, and have a hot for today. Alright, made it back to the Halloween section. Let's take a look at some of these cool things. Ooh. Yeah, it's cute.
Mom and Papa.
Oh, okay.
And Grandma Lisa.
Okay, sounds good. I really like this one. That's so cute. The fact that it's like a pink and black tie-dye. Wow.
I like this pillow.
It's one heck of a pillow.
$45.
I love it. Oh, apparently you can get this giant light-up pumpkin too, but you have to ask somebody for assistance on that one. Well, that's pretty cool. It's huge. It's like the size of you. Oh, we got all the new Hocus Pocus. Oh, it doesn't really look like the Sanderson sisters I know, but oh my gosh. That's cute, Mary. Oh. Alright, we're gonna go look at joining the Gideon's virtual queue to try their cookie nut. Oh my gosh, you remember when we got those during COVID? Wow. That's so cool.
Can we get one today? The first Anna. First I want
So we're noticing they have these portrait bars at the Ganachery. This is where we are. And it's got 4 chocolate ganache bars with flavors of chipotle, raspberry, salted caramel, and passion fruit for $18. I have to stop back for those. Alright, we're in Zara going up to check out to see what they have in the kids section. It's one of my favorite Zara's ever.
If you want, I can only take mine. You can take mine and push out in the corner.
Alright, so we're here to try this one right here. The peanut butter cold brew cookie. I think that might be it.
Can I open it?
Yeah, you can have it.
Okay.
No, just the one.
Open.
This is one we've been really looking forward to trying. We love their coffee cookies. They're so good. Ooh, look at Bavoli. They have some cool seasonal specials. Oh man, that jack-o'-lantern one looks so good. That one looks good. Oh my gosh, over at Happy Hound, it looks like they now have cute little Disney toys. Yeah, it's Scrump.
Probably there's
Oh my gosh. Could you imagine Pepper with Scrump?
Yeah, that'd be cute. I mean,
How cute. Yeah. Oh, and they got Donald and the little cute pool one. Oh, I'm wondering if I should get one for Madison's puppy. Also, my sister has an Aussie also. How cute.
I get this one for Pepper today.
We'll come back and get them for Pepper. Oh my gosh, look.
Oh my gosh. Look.
Cool. Ah! Well, R2 Frisbee.
R2!
Oh, you should get that for your dad. A little Porg. I love these. I don't remember seeing these before.
I'm gonna get this for Pepper.
more later too.
Alright, I think we're gonna head to the toy store. The like Toy Story themed toy store. Because I knew it was for like a toys. But it's been a crowded super hot. I don't think we were expecting it to be quite this crowded for Florida schools already going back to school. But
I was.
yeah, of course. I wasn't. But it's still nice. I don't know. Areas. Alright, So it's called Once Upon a Toy. I was close. Toy Story toy. Story. Store. Toy Store. This is the cutest.
It's my money.
Love it. I was gonna go show it to Zach because he's at the front of the store.
Look how little it is.
It's so cute. Oh yeah, you're right. That's the slide that you guys like to go on.
Mommy. This is my
It's cool.
That's a little fast pass.
That means Primo Piatto is through there, and Bar Riva will be over here. Looking at this cute Lego model of the Riviera. This is our favorite resort at Disney, so I think it's cool for the kids to see it because it's their little home away from home too. It's so cute.
Mommy, how do I get inside? So like pizza for dinner,
I love this Joffrey's location. I did get a 4. I'm so thirsty. I'm gonna chug one immediately. But we went and got a shaken Jamaican with a splash of cream. Unsweetened, I believe, yeah. And then, yeah, we got some waters for the kids. Oh, we're watching this turtle. Oh, easily amused, I guess. That's us. Oh my gosh, look at these summer flavors. So like some of them don't sound bad, right? Like sour cherry pie, pink rosé watermelon, and then there's chocolate potato salad, baked brie, and then chicken. All ice cream. How odd. Are you getting in there? Oh, they also have this sign, which the eyes light up. And then they have the Mickey Mouse Trick or Treat bucket, which we have a version of this from a few years ago. And I think I like it better because I don't like the ice as much this year. I don't like the flamey ice. I kind of like the more traditional ice like that. Like that one up there. See, I just don't know about the flamey ice. Still cool.
You're being rude to Mickey.
Oh, I'm sorry. Mickey will forgive me. They have a nice throw. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, I like that. Oh, and look at this hand towel.
Mommy, stop videoing.
Okay.
And I'm gonna take pictures of time.
Ghouls night out.
You and Daddy.
That's so cute. I wouldn't want to use it.
Well, that means help you drive.
Right now they always do this for the tribute stores for Halloween Horror Nights and the Christmas ones. So you can take a picture and it's going to be incorporated into their tribute store over at Universal or Universal Studios. Nah, that's what they're doing this year. It's like comic book, like haunted comic book theme. That's cool, right?
Don't do this one. That was scary. Do this one.
I like it.
This one.
Alright, let's go check out all the new merch that they just dropped this past week at the All Hallows Eve Boutique. Oh, wow, cool. Oh, look at that. They have Jack.
How is that supposed to be scary?
Oh, yep, there's Little Boo.
It's not this one.
Oh, look, they have posters of some of the houses. This is going to be their Dueling Dragons house after, like, the coaster, our old coaster here at Islands. Oh, guys, scary. Oh, I see you in the fog stuff. I love that they brought back Little Boo merch.
Do you want to hold on there?
That's so cute. Yeah, it's just like distressed. Yeah. Oh, so this is like a green?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. It didn't look green in the photos. Oh, I like it.
I like this one. Yeah, I like this one.
Master of Horror, Dr. Odd. Madame Bazil.
They get the tis the season something.
It's like,
Oh, me too.
I want it.
That's so cute.
I want it.
You want it?
Yeah, that's the one.
Never go alone. I didn't see this one.
It's a kitty cat, but it's a costume.
It is.
Would it fit me?
I don't know, maybe. It's kind of cool. It's traveling oddities. Oh, I found the shirt that I know Zach wanted. It's got Chucky on it. And then it's got Chucky's catchphrase. I'm your friend till the end. Alright, we stopped to soak in some AC because it is painfully hot out today. So, counting how it is. Okay. Kyla, wrong way, buddy. Come on. Come on. Alright, we came to Campisco Grill for dinner tonight. And I thought I'd bring you guys along. So we're having an appetizer first, and it's the best appetizer here at Campisco, in our opinion.
That's what I put in my
It's
salsa.
the like loaded nachos, and it's got pinto beans and queso. I think like ground beef salsa and like an avocado crema and guac. So good. So I guess they're not the prettiest. They gave us jalapenos on the side this time, but these are so good. Such good nachos right now. And then I got a ginger ale for me.
Yep.
And water. And everybody else got waters. I just got the $5 ginger ale, which is crazy. That's expensive ginger ale. Alright, I got the penne alla vodka. This is supposed to come with sausage, but I asked for no sausage, no chicken or anything, so it's just vegetarian. Ivy got a kid's hamburger, no cheese. And she's wondering where her ketchup is. Oh no! And she got french fries. Penelope just got penne with marinara. And Milo got butter noodles. And then Zach got the Korean chicken rice bowl. We love Campisco because they have all these little hidden gems of, I guess, Easter eggs from different lands from around this park, around Island. So, like, there's some Toon paint from Toonland. Just kind of, like, thrown in with everything else up there. So this used to be that you could go up the stairs and they'd take you up the stairs if you wanted, and you could sit up there. I think it was like an AP lounge or overflow seating. We went up there once when they did it as an AP lounge, or you could take the elevator. I'm sorry, annual passport lounge. But we love Campisco. It was great. My pasta, I've never gotten that one before, but I really liked it. I'm not a big fan of sausage, so I'm kind of glad I didn't get sausage. And the portion is huge. You could share that pasta. And you'd probably still be crazy full. The kids all love their meals. Basic, easy kids meals. And Zach's gotten that Korean rice bowl before. And he says that he would get it every single time. The only thing that he wishes they would do is to add on more like gochujang sauce. Like they do in like bibimbap, how they bring you the squeeze bottle when you go to a Korean restaurant. That's like his only complaint. But overall, we love Campisco. It's a really, really solid choice in Islands of Adventure. Why, thank you kindly, missus. Alright, I think we're gonna head out of Islands today. We just came to look at the Halloween Horror Nights merch there over at the All Hallows Eve boutique. And yeah, I think we're gonna head out and fight traffic home. But I think we're gonna look inside the trading company, get some AC, look around, see what they have.